DashCamTravels. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, man, I tell us a long time we don't put up a DashCamTravels video. We all drive on different car, you know, and so some more videos are gonna go on, you see me? So like, share, subscribe. You see me? So peeps, we're there up on the road just to get some Popeye's fried chicken, you know, Friday. Like fry, FRYDAY. So we just get some fried chicken and I'll go back on the ends and now. I'm gonna build back, you see me, in like rainy weather right now. Today not really so bad. 6 degrees right now, according to the dashboard thing. So yeah, wow, going. So since my last DashCamTravels, a whole heap of things going. Whole heap of things happening in entertainment. Whole heap of things are going. The violence of Jamaica get wicked. You see me? So what we come to talk about today? I don't even know. Anybody hear anything are going with cartel appeal? Cause I guess yes, so the prisoner them did a dig 2 holes, so no visit for nobody right now. So as me just come on for touch base with the peeps them, I don't know. Switch on the camera and make you get a little street view. Yes, peeps, so I hear so the video got cut off, you know, so here what me now. Like, share, subscribe. More videos coming soon.